Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about how to declare a variable in Jshell and how to use that variable. See here, let's type the Jshell and press enter. Jshell console will be open. And now, for suppose, let me add two numbers. 2 plus 3 I am saying. The answer will be 5. For example, I want to add another number like for suppose 8 with the 5. What I will do here is $1 plus 8. 5 plus 8. Answer is 13. Like that. Let's see, for example, I am saying int I equal to 10. Press enter. The I value is 10. If I press I, because the variable is I, and press enter, the assigned value will be available. Let's suppose I am saying char C equal to D and press enter. The value which is character D has been assigned to the variable C. If I press C and press enter, the character D will be visible. I am saying float F equal to 23.3 to F and press enter. The value 23.32 has been assigned with the variable F. Let's suppose here I am saying string S equal to hello and press enter. The hello, which is a string hello, has been assigned with the variable S. I am saying string T equal to, I am saying world. Press enter. For example, let me type here variable T. The assigned value will be visible. Here I want to concatenate both the strings. Yes. Yes. T. Press enter. The value hello world, which is the hello which has been assigned to the variable S, and the world which has been assigned to the variable T has been concatenated and it has been displayed here. If I type here slash list, if I type here slash list and press enter, here we can see the code that we have typed. In this way, these are the basic things that we have discussed in this video of how we can declare a variable in Jshell and how to use it. That's all for this video. Thank you.